Stop watching AI videos. Let me show you the exact tools beginners are using right now to actually make money in 2026. No theory, just the setup. In part 1, we covered the methods. Now I'm giving you the exact tool stack. If you follow this step-by-step, you can launch within 48 hours. Stay until the end. I'll show you the automation shortcut most people skip. Tool number 1. Tool number 1 is your content engine, ChatGPT. There is also Jasper, Gemini, and DeepSeek. It writes your scripts, blog posts, product descriptions, ebooks, and client work. Beginner setup. 1. Create a free account. 2. Use structured prompts. 3. Always ask it to improve clarity and add examples. Pro tip, don't say write me something. Say write a persuasive script in a friendly tone, optimized for retention. That changes everything.
Next is Canva, Adobe, Midjourney. This is where you turn AI text into products.
You can create planners, guides, resume templates, mini ebooks, social media packs.
Setup. 1. Paste AI content. 2. Choose clean template. 3. Export as PDF. Done.
Tool number 3, selling platform, Gumroad, Etsy, Podia, Lemon Squeezy, Selfie. Now we monetize. If you want simple, use Gumroad. If you want built-in traffic, use Etsy.
Upload. Add description generated by ChatGPT or your preferred tool.
Set price between $7 and $19 for beginners. You only need 5 to 10 sales to validate an idea. Tool number 4, faceless YouTube stack. YouTube, Pictory, 11 Labs. Here's the faceless YouTube stack. ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voice, Pictory for video, upload to YouTube.
No filming, no mic, no camera.
Retention trigger. And here's what beginners don't realize. YouTube pays for attention. AI helps you produce consistently.
Tool number 5, automation shortcut, Zapier.
This is optional, but powerful. Zapier connects email lists, sales notifications, Google Sheets tracking.
Automation saves time. Time lets you scale. And now, the real strategy, most important section.
Tools don't make money. Focus does. Pick 1. Freelancing, digital products, YouTube. Master it for 30 days. Not 3 days, not 1 week, 30 days. That's the difference between beginners who quit and creators who grow.
48-hour launch plan. Day 1. Choose method. Create first asset. Day 2. Publish. Promote. Improve.
Perfection kills momentum. Speed builds skill. Next, strong close, series hook. AI isn't replacing beginners. It's empowering the ones who move first. If you want part 3, where I break down the highest paying AI side hustles right now, subscribe and comment stack. The next video will change how you see online income. Next, production notes for max retention. Use screen zoom effects every 5 to 8 seconds. Add progress bar at bottom.
Use subtle background music rise near 6-minute mark. Keep pacing tight, no dead air. Add subtitles with highlighted keywords.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and get notification for the next video.